Okay, Mark's first time on physical therapy. We brought him out here on the slickest day of the year. Go, Mark.
All right, shall we?
Do it.
Okay, I am unlocked. We went to the official start of physical therapy because it's Mark's first time.
It's like wrong to skip this ever. This is the best thing to go.
Oh, well, I forgot to adjust my... Woo! Slickery! Oh, hey, puppy! Hey, puppy! Hi, puppy!
Wow, look at that. It's so beautiful. Oh, are you guys ready?
All right. Whoa.
Go.
So Isaiah, this is the drop-in right here.
Am I going over?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry guys. I didn't want that dog to keep...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just go all the way back.
You know, I think we could just walk right through here. Okay, fine.
No, the half the fun is like, this is... You guys got this.
So, I couldn't see anything, and then I dropped it. I'm like, whoa!
So, not too bad so far, right?
No.
Okay.
Definitely like a solid drop. What are you doing, Carl?
I'm trying to get out of this. I'm not like 6'8" like Mark, and I can't like just bound out of this thing. All right, I'm going to start my video over.